ballers, bladers, and fellow awesome nerds. It is I, Baku Dad, one half of the Baku Boys, and if this is your first time to the channel, please hit that like and subscribe button. Also, please be sure to drop us a comment so you can help keep our channel growing, as we do try and release weekly Bakugan, Beyblade, and other awesome nerdy content every Wednesday, Friday, and Saturday. But with that being said, let's go ahead and jump into what we've got in store for you guys for this video. So, for today's video, today is Wednesday, January 12th, and if you all remember from last week's, if you actually remember from last week's Wednesday video, I said that this week is going to be Beyblade week, the first actual Beyblade week that we have had on this channel as far as I know, and for today's Beyblade unboxing, I will be unboxing the Beyblade that I got out of my Christmas stocking on Christmas, which is a Beyblade Speedstorm Abyss Develos D6. I'm actually super excited to check out this Speedstorm Beyblade because it looks super awesome, and it actually adds another left spinning Beyblade to our collection. But I'm not going to waste that much more time. We are going to go ahead and jump straight to the table where I already have the stadium set up, and we'll do some test battles with this and open this and see what this awesome Beyblade can do. Catch you guys in just a moment. Yeah. All right, here we are, back at the table with the stadium set up, and as you can see, we are utilizing the Beyblade Burst Speedstorm motorized stadium that Baku Kid and I got for Christmas, and here is that awesome Abyss Develos D6. I'm not really gonna, worry about too much on part names because, yeah, Hasbro and their part names are just, it's crazy. Sometimes I think when Hasbro is sometimes designing the Beyblade part names, I picture like someone just sitting at a computer keyboard just doing that to the keyboard. And that's how I think that's how some of these parts are named compared to the Takara Tomy ones. But we're going to go ahead and break right into this. And let's go ahead and work on getting all these parts out. Very clean open on that, or at least somewhat clean open. All right, here is our driver. There is our disc and our energy layer. And here is that QR code to scan Abyss Develos D6 into your Beyblade Burst app. And it is a left spinner, so we'll actually go ahead and get it set up compared to its right spinning, or compared to how right spinners get set up. Okay, sweet. That was actually a little bit of a tight fit for Abyss Develos, but I like the design for Abyss Develos. It looks awesome. And as you can see, we do have the stadium set up. And what I will do is, since I am utilizing the motorized stadium, you know what? We'll go ahead and do the first battle. Actually, we'll save that for the last battle, because I want to have two left spinning Beyblades going in the motorized stadium at the same time instead of one right and one left. So for our first matchup, it will be Abyss Develos versus Glide Dullahan. One right and one left. So let's start off with Abyss Develos. Ooh, did not want to stay on the launcher. And 3, 2, 1, rip! Ooh, that just, I did not like that. That just, like, slipped off the launcher altogether. And let's try that again. Ooh, it looks like this does not want to stay on this launcher. Let's try a different launcher. Okay, got it to sit on this one. All right, 3, 2, 1, rip! And now Dullahan, rip! All right, there we go. Abyss Develos and Glide Dullahan. Who will take first point? Ooh, that was kind of hard to tell, but I think Abyss might have taken that. Really hard for me to tell. Let's go at this again with both of them. We'll launch Dullahan first and then Develos. And rip! And rip! Ooh, really powerful hit right there. Ooh, and Dullahan definitely takes the point on that one. Let's try this again. Develos and Dullahan. Rip. And rip. Ooh, solid hit from Dullahan, and that was a bounce. Well, Dullahan definitely takes that one for sure. So put Dullahan back. Now, for our next matchup, we shall use Curse Satum. Curse Satum versus Develos. Another right versus left. All right. First we'll launch Develos. Did not want to stay on the launcher again. All right. And rip. And now Satum. Rip. Ooh, getting some solid hits out of both. And Satum takes that one. Actually try using the slingshot launchers for both of them. Or not slingshot, but Speedstorm. Okay, Satum will get launched first, and then Develos. All right, and rip, and rip. Develos versus Satum. Who's going to take it? And Satum takes it yet again. Now, for the last matchup, and this almost might be an unfair one for Abyss Develos because of weight distribution for both, but we are going to be doing Abyss Develos versus Colossal Helios. And they are both left spinners, so I will be turning the motor on to left spin, so we can actually get a really good left spinning match out of this. Colossal Helios, ready. And Abyss Develos, ready. Stadium on. And rip. And rip. Ooh, there we go. Oh, Colossal Helios got the knockout. Or technically a big ring out. Wow. Point for Helios already. All right, let's get both ready. And then I'll launch Helios first, and then Develos second. Stadium on. And Colossal rip. And Develos rip. Let's see some big attacks. Ooh! And it looks like we've got a stamina win. Yep. That is a stamina win for Abyss Develos. Now we'll launch Develos first, then Helios second. Stadium on. And Develos rip. Oh, Helios just yeeted. Helios rip. It's going to go down to stamina. Although that was a little bit of an unfair advantage for Colossal, because it jumped off the launcher. So I would technically say both are still at a 1-for-1. So let's try that again. All right, Develos rip. And Helios rip. That was really insane. I don't know if it was from the launcher or if Helios did the right contact to burst, or if Develos had the right contact to burst Helios, but geez, that was quite awesome. I will accept that burst. Well, that is actually going to wrap it up for this Beyblade unboxing video. Please tune in Friday where Baku Kid and I will be holding our first Beyblade tournament on our channel. That's going to be super exciting. But until next video, I am Baku Dad, one half of the Baku Boy, signing off. And always remember to stay nerdy and awesome, Bakugan Brawl, and let it rip!